is where I long to roam night or day. I'm taking you all the way, 'cause my heart screams, let me carry you home.
Preparing for the week generally happens on Saturdays and Sundays. But what also happens is a little bit of roaming around. Before getting on to prep work, let me take you all to this beautiful place called Gardens of the World. Come along with me and enjoy the beautiful cherry blossoms.
With me, there's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you.
Cherry blossoms that are native to Japan had been gifted to Berlin a few years ago. These bloom only for a few weeks in the entire year, which is why they are a special attraction and worth visiting. Everyone seems to be going to see these beautiful blooms, which are mostly in shades of pink and white, almost like cotton balls that are so very pretty.
Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you.
All these blooms make waiting for spring so much worth it. Good things come with time. I was thinking just how cherry blossoms bloom only for a few weeks. Can we also do our housework only for a few weeks and then not do it at all? That's not happening, is it? To make it easy for myself, I like to do some prep work on the weekends that helps run the entire week smoothly. I believe prepping in advance for the entire week is especially helpful to save on time. One thing that I definitely do once a week is to wipe down the kitchen cabinets that are white in color. Using this solution really works for light cleaning. Earlier, I believed in the idea of deep cleaning once a month. But later, I switched to cleaning very briefly on a week-to-week basis, as that requires much less time and strength. open kitchen also means maintaining it well, which is why a good scrub makes me feel like the kitchen is ready and fresh for the entire week. For me, some tasks are done on an ad hoc basis, but they are essential to get the home ready for the week. This time, it was cleaning the windows. Clean windows means more light and a brighter home. With the new season also comes more dust and more cleaning. We touch light switches so many times a day but often ignore to clean them. Using a nail paint remover does the trick.
Like being on my own, I could use someone to hold. And I've been trying to fill the void, but my bed is getting cold. Cause I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. You said you had to go away, just to figure out who you are. And I'm in this empty house, with your pictures on my wall. But I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. Just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget.
Last year in my previous home, we had the problem of fruit flies. And then, after a lot of searching, I found out about this fruit fly trap which is made with apple cider vinegar. This time, I am better prepared. My mum laughed when she heard that I actually made a trap for them. But it really does work.
I say I don't mind, but that's a lie. Thought we worked out. I've tried to let you go. Memories they tend to stay. Doesn't matter anyway, cause it won't be you and me.
Having things to look forward to makes life interesting and fun. But it's not necessary that one would always have an eventful time in their life. Some days or even weeks can get boring with the same routine. So what can one do to bring that change and newness? Food can be the carrier of change. However, cooking interesting dishes becomes easier with a weekly meal plan that can help us be better prepared with the ingredients. Now that one interesting dish on a Wednesday or on a Friday is something we look forward to, and waiting for it makes the week feel like a breeze.
Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love.
Anything that needs to be refilled in the pantry also gets filled up during the weekend.
Be holding on to you, hopeless to be holding on.
Meal plan in combination with stock refilling is for sure a good idea. At the same time, I also like to chop up some veggies. Pre-mix stir-fry sauces if needed, make tomato onion curry in advance, boil chanas and keep. I personally enjoy this entire process of prepping, be it the cleaning aspect or even the cooking aspect.
Is the sky like the color of your eyes? Blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand.
Let me know what are you looking forward to, not just this weekend, but this entire season. I'll see you in the comment section to discuss more on this. Until next time, see ya later folks.